Dengue fever actually caused by dengue virus. The disease commonly known as breakbone disease as it causes extensive body pain. Dengue is commonly found in tropical and subtropical regions of the world. Most of the cases found in Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, Africa and Southern America. Causes of dengue fever. The dengue fever mainly caused by four types of dengue virus, type 1, 2, 3 and 4. Responsible factor for dengue fever is mosquito, which carry dengue virus when it bites infected person and carry the virus. Aedes albopictus Asian tiger mosquito, Aedes aegypti mosquito are responsible for spreading dengue fever when it bites a already infected person carrying dengue virus. And the disease spreads when this mosquito bites a healthy human being and the virus spreads through human bloodstream. Symptoms of dengue fever: high fever, body ache, nausea, which means vomiting tendency, vomiting, joint pain, rashes in the skin, swollen glands. There are three types of dengue fever a person may prone to this: mild dengue fever, dengue hemorrhagic fever, which means bleeding from nose, rectum, or bleeding under skin. And another one is dengue shock syndrome, that is sudden fall of blood pressure, which is fatal to human being. Without proper treatment of mild dengue fever, this virus may damage blood vessels, which may cause dengue hemorrhagic fever. The incubation period of dengue is 4 to 10 days. Symptoms of dengue typically last for 2 to 7 days. Most people recovered within a week. Management of dengue. Try to avoid to take rich foods, spicy foods, oily foods and coffee also. Advise to eat plenty of fruit juices, especially vitamin C rich fruits like orange, lemon, etc. Plenty of water. Try to consume at least 2 to 2.5 liter water per day. Take rest for at least 8 hours per day. Prevention of dengue. Wear full sleeve shirts and pants. Use mosquito net. It's better to use mosquito repellents, though they make resistance to them. Any kind of open containers of water should be emptied or covered with lid. Reduce the number of mosquito in stagnant water by adding mosquito eating fishes like guppy. Use kerosene oil or bleaching powder in your home surroundings to reduce mosquito. Tests for dengue. Dengue antibodies IgM, IgG, that is ELISA test for dengue. And second one is dengue virus by PCR like COVID. As we test for COVID is COVID-19 RT-PCR, as well as dengue virus is detected by PCR, which means polymerase chain reaction. Homeopathic medicines for dengue. As dengue is a viral disease, no specific medicine to treat it in any stream of medical science, only to reduce the symptoms and virulency of the disease. Do not ignore. As you see any uneasiness in your body, consult your doctor immediately. The effective medicines are Eupatorium parfolium 30, Belladonna 30, Ipecac 30, Bryonia 30, Calcareaca 30, Epismel 30. The doses of medicines considered by physician according to symptoms and signs. So do not ignore any symptoms you feel uneasy. Consult your doctor in current scenario. Thanks to all of you for watching and hearing this video.